Hi, Dean from Trek Camp Fish. We're parked up here in not so sunny Harvey Bay. Give us some time to get used to the new van. So what exactly is it that we've purchased?
The van itself is an Australian off-road camper ZF 2009 kind of 14 foot body, 16.5 foot or thereabouts, full length. Comes with this very handy 50 kilo drawer, which we've got our awning and other bits in. And I'd expect in time we'll have the spare wheels for the boat trailer too. Great spot for them. Twin independent freshwater tanks, 120 litres times 2. Twin diesel caddy carriers on the back, and a single 17-inch spare with same size rims as our Prado, which is rather handy, I have to say. On the front of the van, twin bike carriers and twin 9 kilo gas bottles. We've put our saddlebags on the stone carrier, and the van is currently running a DOA 25 hitch, which seems to do a really good job. The diesel heater can fuel caddy, and the boot for awning poles and perhaps the odd fishing rod. Here we've got the 60 litre original Evercool fridge, which we've added a remote temperature sensor to, so we can keep an eye on what's going on in there. AOR kitchen, slide out or slide along bench top, plenty of storage. Kitchen pantry, and big slide out drawer for all your utensils, pots, pans, etc. I find this really handy. This comes standard with them as well. The little return clips into the side there. There's a fitting on the outside of the van it sits on as well, and really handy for things that you're getting in and out of the van. So let's take a look inside. So the door obviously is the twin skin lockable, which we think is fantastic. Lets us lock that one and leave the other one open. Immediately inside you find this utilities area, hot and cold water, the sink, power charging station, drawers all lockable and soft close, which is great. Inside to the shower area, bathroom, the marine toilet and shower. And we're already making plans to change out the table to something we're more comfortable with. Lithium fan we've added already, and obviously the radio CD player. Doesn't get a whole lot of work, but it's there. Then we've got the queen size bed, which has storage underneath on 2 really strong gas struts. So plenty of storage under there. Each of the lounges are a lot of the internal workings of the van. So on this side we have the DC-DC charger, the charger inverter from Enerdrive, and obviously the toilet cassette is housed under there as well. And fuses are all there. And on this side here our controller. Over on this side we find the diesel heater, water pump, Tarumo hot water service, and the dual water filtration system. Well, there you go, that's it. That's the new van, and yeah, pretty happy with it. Can't wait to get it out there.